Why is crypto down today? June 17, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. Israel's attack on Iran did affect the crypto market, but Bitcoin held firm. While it initially saw a relatively minor drop, it quickly rebounded. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market today took another turn into red territory. Just 10 of the top 100 coins have recorded increases over the past 24 hours. Moreover, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 2.1% to $3.45 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $118 billion, up from $76.7 billion seen yesterday. TLDR. Following a brief but notable uptick, the crypto market has turned red again. Bitcoin is unchanged over the last day, currently standing at $106,856. Ethereum has decreased by less than 2%, standing at $2,584. Tron is the best performer among the top 10, but is criticized for the connection with Eric Trump for its U.S. public launch plans. Despite the major geopolitical events, BTC is holding firm. U.S. spot BTC ETFs recorded $408.59 million in inflow. Spot ETH ETFs took in $21.39 million. The dip is likely a typical pullback, but all eyes are on the Israel-Iran situation and the upcoming U.S. Federal Reserve meeting. Crypto winners and losers. Looking at the top 10 coins per market cap, we find that 4 have increased and 4 have decreased over the past 24 hours, not taking the two stable coins into account. Bitcoin, BTC, is green but unchanged in this time frame. It's up only 0.1%, trading at $106,856. Ethereum ETH has decreased by 1.7%, changing hands at $2,584 at the time of writing. The highest gainer is Tron, TRX, with a rise of 2.5% to the price of $0.277. At the same time, the highest decrease in this category is Solana, SOL, S, and Dogecoin, Doge, S, 2.4% each to $153 and $0.1739 respectively. Moreover, only 10 of the top 100 coins have increased today. White Bitcoin, WBT, is the day's best performer, seeing an increase of 29.7% to $51.62. The rest are up 4.4% and less per coin. SPX 6900, SPX, S drop of 13.1% is the highest in this category, currently trading at $1.44. Speaking of Tron, the chain is reportedly planning to go public in the U.S. via a merger with Nasdaq-listed SRM Entertainment. The chain's founder Justin Sun has formed a notable relationship with the Trump family, a fact that has caused controversies and ethical concerns. Eric Trump, son of U.S. President Donald Trump, was supposedly meant to assume a leadership position within the company. Eric Trump also holds an advisory position at Dominari Securities, the firm handling the deal. Despite all that, Eric Trump denied all reports linking him to Tron's planned Nasdaq listing. Meanwhile, the digital asset space is heating up, with TradFi giants showing rising interest in stablecoins. JP Morgan filed a trademark application for JPMD. It described a range of blockchain and digital currency functions to potentially expand into crypto payments and asset settlement. This has reignited speculation about a novel, possibly retail-focused bank-backed stablecoin. Why is crypto down today? Bitcoin holds firm. Chloe Zhang, an HTX research analyst, commented that Israel's attack on Iran influenced the crypto market, but Bitcoin held firm. While it initially saw a relatively minor drop, it quickly rebounded. The $100,000 level remains a widely recognized psychological support level, Zhang says, but BTC is holding around the $107,000 level. Moreover, per on-chain data, over $1.1 billion in long positions have been liquidated since June 13 across crypto markets. BTC accounted for more than 40% of that amount. Zhang further noted that options market continues to signal strong bullish sentiment. Bitcoin options open interest jumped to a record $42.5 billion with June and July calls at $110,000 and $120,000 respectively. Total call premiums are at $70 million, overwhelmingly exceeding puts at $15 million with a put/call ratio near 0.21, underscoring extreme optimism. All that said, markets are now focused on the upcoming U.S. Federal Reserve policy meeting. Most expect Fed Chair Jerome Powell to avoid any major pivot and instead reiterate a wait-and-see approach grounded in data dependency, Zhang argues. Additionally, the recent surge in oil prices prompted by Middle East tensions could fuel inflation concerns. However, May's CPI and PPI data indicate core inflation remains relatively tame. This macro disconnect between data and sentiment is fueling policy uncertainty. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $106,856. This is a pullback from the intraday high of $108,785 as the coin failed to hold this level despite several attempts. The resistance levels now stand at $108,951 and $110,406. If the coin breaks through these zones, it may start breaking new ADHs. The first support level to keep an eye on is $106,196, followed by $104,633 and then $103,132. At the same time, Ethereum currently trading at $2,584. This is a pullback from the intraday high of $2,672 and it's an increase from the intraday low of $2,537. The coin is now attempting to retake and hold the $2,610 level, followed by $2,670. Furthermore, the crypto market sentiment has gone up, returning to the level seen at the end of last week. Moving within the neutral zone, the Fear and Greed Index climbed from 50 to 54 today toward the green area. According to Chloe Zhang, the Fear and Greed Index indicates that the market has yet to fully transition into a risk-off stance. Meanwhile, on Monday, U.S. BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw another day of net inflows, taking in $408.59 million. Of this amount, BlackRock is responsible for $266.6 million. After breaking their 19-day inflow streak, U.S. ETH spot ETFs recorded net inflows of $21.39 million on Monday. Grayscale took in $16.08 million and Fidelity $5.31 million. Notably, Glassnode reported that U.S. spot ETH ETFs saw the third largest weekly net inflow last week. Meanwhile, Zhang suggested that market participants will be keeping an eye on the U.S. Federal Reserve policy meeting this Wednesday as well as the events in the Middle East. The progress of both of these could have an effect on the crypto market as well. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? While the crypto market dropped over the last 24 hours, the stock market increased by the closing time on Monday. The S&P 500 increased by 0.94%, the Nasdaq 100 went up by 1.42%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.75%. The stock market has recovered from losses in the previous session following Israel's attack on Iran. It's still paying close attention to it. Is this dip sustainable? This crypto market dip is likely another typical short-term pullback. However, there are massive geopolitical and macroeconomic events currently developing which are bound to influence the crypto market as well. In which direction it remains to be seen. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP. Solana and Pepe, which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025. XRP price prediction. Cardano founder confirms XRP support. New partnership coming. Blockchain news. Fiat chain is a technology, it's a public blockchain without a cryptocurrency, says Silvio Macaulay. 21 hours ago. By Rachel Wolfson. Blockchain news. Ripple v. SEC stalls again as appeal put on hold. Here's what's holding it up. 7 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Pre-sale crypto list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovic. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Elijah Rankovic. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.